So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 Redbubble niches you should be in, or at least you should try to make designs for. These are niches that have performed well for me in the past, and some of them are still currently performing well for me, and I thought I'll just share them with you guys in this video to help you guys out. Someone actually requested something similar to this in the comment section, so I thought, why not do it? If you're ready for this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated, and let's get straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel and you're looking to make some extra money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, as that would be very much appreciated. We are trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big one, it won't be easy, so I can't do that without your help. Nevertheless, for anyone that's looking for any sort of extra information in regards of Redbubble or print on demand, down in the description I have a free print on demand starter guide that has a lot of information that includes what I use to get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. However, for anyone that's looking to make this into more of a full-time thing and level this up a little bit more, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that will pretty much fast track you to print on demand success. Now with that said, getting straight into this video, 5 Redbubble niches you should be in. Trust me guys, these are good niches. I'm going to go into them. I'm going to show you obviously how big the niches are and how you can pretty much break things down, as well as I will give you sub niches I found using the research methods that are actually in my paid course. For anyone who wants more information on the course, once again, the information on that is down in the description, but in this video I'll mainly cover how you guys can find niches through Redbubble itself. So getting straight into this, the first niche is the nurse niche. So with the nurse niche, if you just type in nurse on Redbubble, you will see that 150,000 plus results pop up, and you have a lot of stickers showing up. You also have a keyword suggestion in male nurse, which is just at the top, if you can see the little tab there, and that's something you can go in if you was looking to sub niche in the nurse niche. Just to quickly give you guys an example, when I go into this myself, you guys can see right there, obviously 150,000 results. If I click on male nurse, it will drop it down to 2,897 results. So there's now less competition. You can even go even further down. So let's say I click on nurse man, which is a bit of a weird one. You can see there's less results there. And yeah, you can always try to go into some of these and see if you can sub niche and find smaller keywords or niches with less result. So nurse, which is like a male nurse, you can see it has 509 results. So that's another way you can break down big niches that are doing well to see if you can find ideas that don't have a lot of competition. Now, to give you guys just one idea that I found using the research methods I cover on my print on demand course, we have this one right here. So straight out of the night shift. Now this is a design that I know is definitely selling, and once again, this is in relation to the nurse niche. You can see there's only 255 results there, and it's something you guys can definitely jump into and potentially get yourself sales in. There's definitely a high chance of getting sales in this niche because I know it's working from the methods that I use. It's been showing that it's been selling for a lot of people, so this is something that you guys can maybe try to jump onto. Moving on here, we have the vegan niche. Now the vegan niche is another really powerful niche on Redbubble. So this is the second niche of the video, and as you can see there, there's 109,000 plus results. So I'm seeing masks, I'm seeing stickers, and there's one shirt in there. Once again, what you'd want to do with this niche is sub niche to see if you can find any other smaller niches within the vegan niche you can work on. Now the same as before, you just go through some of these keywords to see if you can find anything that could potentially have a smaller audience. So vegan obviously is 157,000. If we go on plant-based, that might be lower, so I'm seeing 17,000 there. Powered by plants, that may be even lower, 3,200, as you can see there. Vegan life, let's see, meatless, could that be less? That's still fairly low, 3,000. And pretty much you'd go through these little things here. So these little tags show you sub niches with less competition. As you can see, Go Vegan has 1,381. And once again, to show you guys a niche that's doing well, we have this sub niche here that says vegan from my head. Tomatoes or tomatoes, you know the word that I'm trying to say. Nevertheless, there's 310 results. As you guys can see, it's linked to a niche that's doing well, the vegan niche, and this is something that you guys can try to jump on to potentially get some sales for those who are struggling, and that's definitely something you guys can use for those who are struggling. Next up, we have the pregnancy niche. Now, as you can see there's 55,000, just under 56,000 results there. And obviously you got a lot of things, stickers, you got some copyrighted trademark things you really shouldn't be making designs on. But besides that, there's masks, kids clothing, stickers, like I said before. And yeah, this isn't as big as the other niches, but it's a niche that performs well, because when it comes to pregnant women, they'll try to buy things to kind of make their whole pregnancy experience better, or people might buy gifts for them. Once again, once you jump on Redbubble and you type this in, you have the tabs at the top, and you can just go into those tabs. As you can see here, obviously you've got 55,000 results. We go on mummy to be, it should drop to 16,000, and maternity outfit, wow, so maternity top has under 1,000 results. And that's how you guys can pretty much use Redbubble, like I said, to find a big niche and then sub niche to find smaller niches within it. And once again, to show you a sub niche that I found for this, we have I love my bump, which is in relation to the pregnancy niche, and this only has 118 results. For those people that are thinking, what is this crazy research method? Like I said, it's in my course and it works. It's crazy how good it is. But if you use the tools that I talk about correctly, obviously you will find things like this as well, through just using simple keywords like I'm doing here, like pregnancy, or all the other words that I've been using. Next up, we have the astronomy niche. Now, this is a niche that tends to perform surprisingly well. There's 95,000 results in there. I'm seeing sticker packs, I'm seeing posters with things that look like periodic tables. There's a lot of opportunity in this niche, and there's a lot of things you can actually do with this one. At this point, you guys know the drill. You go into this, you go into the little keyword at the top here to see if you can find smaller sub niches. So if we're going to astronomer, I feel like it's going to be still fairly big. Well, it's dropped to 4,000, which is better than nothing. As I've been doing with the other niches, my research methods took me to this sub niche within the astronomy niche, and this one's a good one. I mean, there's 26 results in this one, and guys, I can confirm that this is something that's definitely selling. Back in my day, we had 9 planets. It's a smart play on words. It's a nice little cool quote as well. So it's something that'll make people feel a certain way. People see this, laugh. People might want to even get this potentially as a gift. So it's definitely something that you guys can jump onto. And then the final niche of the video, which is a bit of a big one, is the birthday niche. Now, it's a big one, so I've kind of sub niched into it already a little bit, and I've put lockdown birthday. And that's mainly because when it comes to lockdown birthday t-shirts, cards, things like that, they have been selling quite well, so I thought I might as well implement this into it. Now, the term lockdown birthday on Redbubble is currently seen as a term that's trending, so that's just a bonus for anyone who'd be looking to jump onto this. And once again, you want to go on the little tabs at the top there, and they'll give you an idea of how to go into this niche and how to sub niche to find something that's smaller. Here's an example right here of a shirt that I found through my research methods that's selling. And I mean, I don't know why people are liking the age 27, but it's something that I've seen that it is selling. And when you look here, there's only 76 results. So I mean, it's something that you guys can take advantage of. It's once again linked to lockdown birthdays. As you can see, I've sub niched into it using my research, and we have found something that could potentially work well. The best thing about birthday designs as well is that they're very scalable. even though the age 27 is working, you can then try different ages and create scalable designs to further increase your chances of even getting more sales. And with birthday related designs, you can put them on shirts and birthday cards as well. Yeah guys, I think I'm going to leave the video there for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Once again, if you did, a like rating would be very much appreciated, as I did put a lot of time into this video to give you guys useful and actionable information. For anyone who's made it to this point, comment down super niches, because that's what these niches are in my opinion. They're niches that are going to help you to get sales if you sub niche within them. I also want to give you guys a big thank you on the support on the previous video. For those who haven't watched it, I talked about the Redbubble spammy situation and how we could possibly try to fix that as a community, so check that out if you haven't already. But yes, that is it for today, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.